am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, I'm going to upgrade a simple app. If you have not yet watched my last video, please do watch my last video. This is the code that I wrote in my last video. Let's delete the ids.xml file. Let's delete the colors.xml file. In this video, we're just going to add 4 lines. Let's come down and then say intent. First one is I with I uppercase and the second one is with small lowercase is equal to new intent. So this intent helps us to dial a call. And then the action of the intent is dial a call. So I'm writing down intent dot action underscore dial comma URI with U uppercase dot parse. And then in the parentheses with double quotes you write down tel, which means the phone number, and then you come out of the double quotes and then add out cell number, the variables created over here. I didn't do anything, I just created an array saying cell numbers and added all the numbers. And remember, over here we have 18 names, so there should be 18 phone numbers too. I added the cell numbers and then in a square bracket put out the position of the cell number. Let's come out and end this up. And then come down and then say start activity with S lowercase. And then within a parenthesis write down intent lowercase. And then come out and end. And the other 2 lines are after the text view set text. We are setting the text that we clicked on the students and the position of it. Let's come down and then say text view 1 dot set text color to. I'm setting it to color dot red like this. And then let's come down and then say text view 1 dot set text size. To 20. There's no DP or SP over here. Now let's run the app and check. Okay, so it's showing an error in the ids.xml file. Let's go to the res and then go to the layout and then go to activity underscore main.xml. Over here, the thing we need to add is we forgot about the list view. So let's add that up. List, type out list view. You get the Android layout width. So I'm setting the Android layout width to wrap content. And the layout height to 330 dp. And then let's come down and then copy up the code over here in the text view. The text view it will be given already. Let's just delete the spaces over here. Control V. And there we go. And now let's run the app and check. And again it's showing an error. Let's delete up this code over here. And now let's run it and check. So guys, remember, even when I was making the code, I wrote the same code over here. And in the activity main, I didn't write the list view. So do not repeat this mistake. If you repeat this mistake, it shows an error in the IDS.xml file. Which one is the error? Okay, so remember, we have to set the ID over here. So let's do that. Android ID at Android plus ID and the /, and then you write down text view as the ID. Okay, it's the list view, and then you write down list view as the ID. Let's come up here, let's do the same. Android is to ID, and then let's set it as text view. Let's go check if the error, yeah, the error is gone. Now let's run it. So let's check out our, yeah, so you got that. It's just saying as the hello world. Why is it not showing the contacts or anything? Let's go out and check the code in main.activity. Main activity. Yeah, so you got that dot simple list item, and then we'll have to display the students, which I totally forgot. Yeah, and now let's run it and check. Yeah, so you saw that? Let's click on Likita. It's saying you clicked on Likita, and then it's going to the number. You saw that my first name is Likita, and then I set the number to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's click on the call button. You saw it's calling. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.